This is Jennifer Cocker. I'm owner-designer at Puddleby Farm Designs, and I'm going to walk with you through making a wreath with a sign in it today. So we're going to start with this welcome y'all sign, which is what my customer wanted. And I'm going to lower the camera so you can see what's going on. Okay, so what I have done is I've taken the string off and I just clipped it off with my clippers. We're going to throw the string away, or you can save it for another project. I'm taking these black cable ties. I don't know if you can see them well. They have no foam sticky on the back. They're just plain. And I'm taking E6000, the glue, and I like to buy it in these little bottles because I don't use it very often, and it kind of dries out and gets sticky on you. This one hadn't even been opened. I'm using the top to make a little hole in it. Then I'm just going to put the E6000 on the back of the black cable tie. Now, some of you may know that my left hand doesn't always work right, so movements may look a little awkward. I may drop things. My fingers move funny. It is what it is, and we just move on. Okie dokie. So just like that, a little glue. Then we're going to take it and put it about the same place that the other sign hanger was. And we had to put that on there, and it has to cure for 24 hours. Now this is how we put on a wooden sign. How I put on a wooden sign. There'll be other creators who will do it a different way. This is how I was taught to do it, and it seems to work well. So if you put it right in the corners where it already was, then they're basically even. And after it's cured for 24 to 48 hours, then we will use cable ties. And I'll show that to you when the time is right to attach it to our wreath.